solar field installed in the Martini&Rossi plant is a test installation of the SHIP2FAIR project that fosters the integration of the solar heat in the industrial process of the agro-food industries. The project has been financed by the Horizon 2020 Research and Innovation Program. The plant is located in Pessione, near Turin, and is one of the largest production sites in the Bacardi Group. It produces over 200 million bottles a year of Martini vermouth, sparkling wines and spirits. The project has developed a deep collaboration among all the partners across Europe in order to finalize the final design of the solar installation. Then, the local team has played a significant role in defining the key features such as the energy production rate based on the solar irradiation at the site latitude, the right sizing of the solar field according to the project purpose and the site constraint, such as some existing building over 100 years old, and the integration of the new installation in the existing energy architecture of the plant. As a result of that, the final design is a solar field with the high vacuum solar panel provided by TVP Solar, one of the technology providers of the SHIP2FAIR project. This solution allows us to maximize the energy production rates across the 4 seasons of the year and the different irradiation conditions during the day.
The solar field installation consists of 298 high vacuum solar panels with a gross area of about 600 square meters. It is able to produce a peak power of 329 kW and to work with a maximum reachable temperature of 177 degrees, thus producing 3.7 saturated steam. In order to find the best matching between the potential energy production of the solar field and the energy requirements of the plant, 2 different operation modes were defined. The winter mode was chosen for the period with the lowest irradiation, driving the flow to produce energy to heat the environment of the production department that stands below the solar roof. In such mode, the flow works from 60 to 120 degrees, fueling 2 unit heaters installed in the area. The summer mode was selected for the period with the highest irradiation. It drives the flow up to 177 degrees, producing 3.7 saturated steam through an indirect steam generator. An important revamp of the whole system integration was carried out in order to allow the energy produced to reach the utilities requiring such a thermal energy. In fact, the steam generated enters the main steam collector in order to be available to all the steam demanding network. In this respect, the distillation process of the botanical is one of the most important. It is made through 3 copper pot stills and generates a part of the key ingredients of the vermouth. The new solar installation will guarantee a yearly energy production of 394 MW per hour with a fossil fuel and CO2 related saving of 55,000 cubic meters per year and 93 tons per year respectively. The solar field has enabled the Martini&Rossi plant to add the sun as a new source of energy in the existing energy architecture composed of 3 boilers and a CHP all fueled by methane gas.